Yo, what's up, Static here, and welcome to a quick guide on how to install an M.2 SSD onto your motherboard. Please note that this can vary from motherboard to motherboard model and also from SSD to SSD model. First off, you may notice that some motherboard has a heatsink on it. Just unscrew it with usually 1 or 2 screws on it. With that removed, you will notice that there is a slot on the right side typically and a standoff. Usually the standoff are made for 2280 form factor SSDs, but there will also be space for 2240 and 2260 SSDs. Usually most SSDs I have seen on the market at least are 2280, so at this point you don't need to do any further action. Speaking of action, take your SSD and start lining it up with the slot. It only goes in one way, and usually you can tell which way it should go by looking at the RAM chips. They should usually be facing upwards. If you cannot easily insert it into the slot, chances are you had to flip it around. You absolutely do not need any force to insert it, as this can potentially damage the motherboard and or the SSD. Next, you take this extremely tiny screw, and for the love of God, don't miss it, because it is a nightmare to find that. Then you take one finger without any force whatsoever and lower the SSD down to line it up with the standoff. Then you take your screw and your screwdriver and very carefully screw it in. This shouldn't need any force at all, and please be careful with the threads. They are a little easy to strip. And that's it, you have installed it. Anyways, I'm out of here. Like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, subscribe today if you loved it, check my social medias in the description. I personally recommend my Discord server and my Facebook page. And with that being said, I'm out of here. Bye.